As we're getting closer to the iPhone 15 series launch, more and more solid leaks have started to appear. And these might be the first look of the final plastic mock-up which tells us what the iPhone 15 series would look like when it gets launched a couple of weeks from now. So for the iPhone 15 and the 15 Plus, the frame finally appears to be curved instead of being sharp like previous models and might come in black, white, light pink, light blue and a possible yellow or more like a light yellow finish. Other than that, the iPhone 15 and the 15 Plus will have a USB-C, Apple A16 Bionic chipset, dynamic island, upgraded cameras and a bigger battery. And the Indian pricing is said to be around 75,000 rupees for the base variant iPhone 15. And this is the new iPhone 15 Pro Max or the 15 Ultra model with a faded greenish blue color, which is gonna have a solid titanium frame with curved edges with the new action button which can do a lot of different things like app shortcuts, camera shortcuts, accessibility and quick silent or ring modes. We will also be getting upgrades on the cameras with a possible 6x periscope zoom lens this time, along with the new Apple A70 Bionic chipset, upgraded batteries and obviously the Thunderbolt USB-C port at the bottom. The same goes for the iPhone 15 Pro also, but with no periscope zoom and a smaller display and a smaller battery size as compared to iPhone 15 Pro Max. But the rest is the same. Apple might also be adding color matched cables in the box from now on for all the iPhone models, and click on this particular video to know more. And till then, do subscribe and bye.